In this video, I'll show you how to work the slip-slip purl decrease. The slip-slip purl is a one-stitch left-leaning decrease as seen from the knit side of the work. It takes 2 stitches and combines them into 1 stitch. To work the slip-slip purl decrease, start by slipping the next 2 stitches knitwise onto the right needle. Without twisting them again, just slip them back onto the left needle. Insert your right needle from back to front through the 2 stitches on the left needle, and then purl those together through the back loops. Let me show you that 2 more times. Slip the next 2 stitches knitwise onto the right needle. Without twisting them again, slip them back onto the left needle. Insert the right needle through the back loops from back to front through those stitches on the left needle, and purl those stitches together through the back loops. Let's go over that one more time. Slip the next 2 stitches as if to knit onto the right needle. Slip them back onto the left needle without twisting them again. Insert the right needle from back to front through the backs of those 2 stitches and purl those 2 stitches together through the back loops. And that's how you work the slip-slip purl decrease.